Hi, I'm Mike Tosi, Vermont Country Campers, East Montpelier, Vermont. And today I'm here to show you this Hideout 33BH-DS. As you can see, it's got some nice storage area in the front here, which goes all the way through. Plenty of room in here. Your awning, outside speakers. This one comes with a little outside fridge, a little place to store goodies. You also have a separate entrance in the back as well. Let's take a peeky peek inside. We're going to start the front of this one. So this has got your queen size bed. Got your two closets on the side to hang your clothes. Little nightstands. It's got an entrance to go into the bathroom here. And also a second entrance. Nice big shower. You got a nice fan in here to pull the steam out. That's handy to have. Let's go into the kitchen area. You've got this big island countertop. Lots of space. Farm sink, stainless steel sink. Of course, you got your 6 cubic fridge and freezer. Your 3-burner stove, microwave, huge color TV, which is opposite your little couch, which as you can see has been folded out for a sleeping arrangement. And then you've got your little booth dinette here. And then in the back with this one, you've got your bunks, which is nice because in this bunk room, they have their own half bath, which is very nice. And these are the double bunks, so these are huge. Plenty of space there. And of course the closet here to hang your clothes. Also, the other thing to point out in this camper is the nice pantry that it has for your dry goods. Always want to look for that. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you at Vermont Country Campers.